You can fake a smile. You can fake a laugh. But there is one human reaction that is physically impossible to fake and completely impossible to stop: blushing. You cannot trigger it on command, and once it starts, you are absolutely powerless to shut it down. Today, we're diving into exactly why your face betrays you and why it's actually one of your body's greatest hidden superpowers. Picture this. You do something embarrassing. Your brain panics. But it doesn't send a panic signal to your face, it sends a signal straight to your blood vessels. Tiny capillaries in your cheeks suddenly flood open. Blood rushes in. You turn bright red. Science calls this vasodilation. But here is the wildest part of all. This happens before your conscious brain even realizes you're embarrassed. Your face literally betrays you before you even know you've been betrayed. But wait, why your face? Why doesn't your knee blush? Turns out the blood vessels in your cheeks are built differently. They have a unique receptor called beta-adrenergic receptors. When the adrenaline hits your system, these receptors tell the vessels to expand, unlike the rest of your body where vessels usually contract. That means blushing is actually a glitchy side effect of your body's primal fight-or-flight system, happening right on your face. Even Charles Darwin called blushing the most peculiar and most human of all expressions. Because, get this, no other animal on the planet does it. And at first glance, it seems like a massive evolutionary design flaw. You get caught doing something wrong, and your face literally broadcasts it in 4K to everyone in the room. Why would evolution keep a self-snitching mechanism like that? The leading scientific theory? It's a biological honesty signal. Blushing is your body's involuntary apology. It proves to the group around you that you actually care about what they think. And the data backs this up. Studies show that if you mess up, people will actually trust you more, not less, if you blush about it. But here's a massive detail most people completely miss. Embarrassment isn't the only trigger. You also blush when someone compliments you. The common denominator is the shame, it's attention. Anytime you feel watched, judged, or evaluated, that signal fires. Your brain doesn't care if the attention is good or bad, it just screams. Everyone is looking at me. And that brings us to the absolute cruelest loop in human biology. You blush. You realize you are blushing. You get embarrassed about blushing. You blush even harder. Scientists literally call this meta-emotion, having an emotion about an emotion. We are the only creatures on Earth that get embarrassed about being embarrassed. So, the next time your face turns tomato red at the absolute worst possible moment, don't panic. It's not a flaw. It's a feature. It's a biological cheat code that has been making humans more trustworthy to each other for thousands of years. Your face is just telling the truth that your mouth was too slow to say. If your face has ever betrayed you in public, hit that like button, subscribe so you don't miss the next video, and I'll see you guys next time.